Did you know there are tax-saving investment strategies that could boost your finances in 2024? Welcome to our discussion on the best tax-saving investment strategies for 2024. Stay with us as we delve into the problem of high taxes and explore how savvy investment strategies can help. When it comes to finances, taxes can feel like a thorn in the side. They're that unavoidable part of life that can significantly impact our personal financial landscape. Each year, like clockwork, tax season rolls around and we're left navigating the labyrinthine world of tax codes, deductions, and brackets, trying to make sense of it all. But the truth of the matter is, taxes don't have to be a burden. In fact, with the right strategies in place, they can become a tool for wealth creation. Now let's put this into perspective. Imagine you're an investor. You've worked hard, earned your money, and you're ready to see it grow. But then comes tax season, and a sizable chunk of your earnings is siphoned away. It's a harsh reality that many of us face. High taxes can erode your wealth, leaving you with less to invest, and consequently, less potential for growth. But here's where things get interesting. While taxes can feel like a challenge, they can also be an opportunity. An opportunity to reassess, re-strategize, and ultimately reduce the impact of taxes on your personal finances. It all boils down to one key aspect: strategic tax planning. Strategic tax planning is about being proactive, not reactive. It's about understanding the tax landscape and using it to your advantage. It's about identifying the tax-saving opportunities that exist within the tax code and leveraging them to reduce your tax liabilities. But achieving this isn't a walk in the park. It requires a deep understanding of tax laws, a keen eye for detail, and a strategic approach to investing. It's about knowing when to invest, where to invest, and how to invest in a way that aligns with your financial goals while minimizing your tax liabilities. So yes, the tax challenge can feel daunting. It's a complex, ever-changing landscape that requires time, effort, and expertise to navigate. But don't despair, there are ways to turn this challenge into an opportunity. And in our next segment, we'll delve into the best tax-saving investment strategies for 2024 that can help you do just that. One such opportunity lies in tax-saving investment strategies. Now, let's discuss a few strategies that might just be the secret recipe to your financial success in 2024. Firstly, maximizing your retirement account contributions. This is a classic move, and for good reason. Retirement accounts such as 401(k)s and IRAs offer significant tax advantages. In most cases, the income you put into these accounts is tax deductible, which means it reduces your taxable income right now. Not only that, but the investments in these accounts also grow tax-free until you withdraw them in retirement. Next, let's talk about tax-efficient investing. This is all about how and where you hold different types of investments. For example, investments that generate a lot of taxable income, like bonds, might be better held in tax-advantaged accounts. On the other hand, investments that are more tax-efficient, like index funds, might be better held in taxable accounts. It's a bit like a game of chess. Every move counts and can have a significant impact on your overall tax bill. Finally, don't overlook the potential of tax loss harvesting. This strategy involves selling investments that have declined in value to offset the taxes on the gains from your other investments. It's a way to turn the lemons that the market sometimes gives us into financial lemonade. Each strategy offers unique benefits. Let's delve into them. Maximizing your retirement contributions, for instance, can significantly reduce your taxable income. By taking full advantage of retirement account opportunities, you can keep more of your hard-earned money working for you. Consider this. If you're in the 25% tax bracket and you contribute $10,000 to your retirement account, you've effectively saved $2,500 in taxes. That's money in your pocket, not the taxman's. Even better, the money in your retirement account has the potential to grow tax-deferred, meaning you won't owe taxes on any gains until you start making withdrawals. Now let's talk about tax-efficient investments. These are investments that are designed to minimize tax liabilities. Examples include index funds and exchange-traded funds. These funds tend to have lower turnover rates, meaning they generate fewer taxable events. And the fewer taxable events, the less you owe in taxes. And don't forget about tax loss harvesting. This strategy involves selling investments at a loss to offset capital gains. It might sound counterintuitive to sell an investment at a loss, but it's a strategic move. It allows you to offset the taxes you owe on your gains, effectively lowering your overall tax bill. But these strategies aren't just about saving on taxes. They're also about growing your wealth. By reducing your tax liabilities, you're freeing up more money to invest and grow. And the more money you have invested, the greater your potential for returns. Consider the power of compounding. If you can save an extra $1,000 in taxes and invest it, assuming an average annual return of 7%, that $1,000 could grow to nearly $2,000 in 10 years. That's the power of tax-saving investment strategies. They don't just save you money now, they help you build wealth for the future. These strategies are more than just tax savers, they're wealth builders. They're tools you can use to take control of your financial future. With strategic planning and thoughtful investment decisions, you can navigate the tax landscape to your advantage and come out ahead. But the benefits of these strategies go beyond immediate tax relief. Let's delve into the long-term impacts of tax-saving investments. Imagine the magic of compounded growth. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, picking up more snow and gaining momentum as it goes. When you save on taxes and reinvest those savings, you're essentially adding more snow to your financial snowball. Over time, this can lead to significant growth in your wealth. It's not just about the money you save today, but the additional earnings that money can generate over the years. Consider this. If you save $2,000 in taxes and invest it in a portfolio with a conservative annual return of 5%, in 20 years, that $2,000 would have grown to over $5,300. That's the power of compounded growth. Now let's talk about financial security. We all want the peace of mind that comes from knowing we've got a financial safety net. Tax-saving investments can be a crucial part of building that safety net. By reducing your tax liability, you're freeing up more of your income to invest and grow. Over time, these investments can create a substantial nest egg that can support you in retirement or help you weather financial storms. But there's more. By strategically planning your investments to minimize taxes, you're not just saving money, you're also gaining control over your financial destiny. You're making proactive decisions about where your money goes, rather than simply reacting to tax bills as they come. This sense of control is a key component of financial well-being and can contribute to overall life satisfaction. To sum it up, the long-term benefits of tax-saving investments are threefold: compounded growth that can significantly boost your wealth, financial security that provides a safety net, and a sense of control over your financial future. So, tax-saving investment strategies are not just about the here and now, they're about securing your financial future. To sum it all up, tax-saving investment strategies are a vital part of financial planning for 2024 and beyond. We've explored how maximizing retirement contributions using tax-efficient investments and tax loss harvesting can reduce tax liabilities and grow wealth. Remember, a penny saved in taxes is a penny earned. We hope this video sheds some light on tax-saving investment strategies for 2024. Discover more savvy financial maneuvers on our channel. We love hearing your thoughts, so drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights.